Tactical gear differs from regular clothing and accessories because it serves a specific purpose. Tactical military gear gives you the toughest performance during the worst possible situations. And these gears will help you stay ready for anything without worrying about their availability. So if you're searching for the best tactical military gear and gadgets of 2022, then here's our selection of the 5 best must-have tactical military gear and gadgets, regardless of your needs. Let's begin.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer will know about the product. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
Tacticon is a single battle belt setup with one belt that helps all your gear and goes over top the belt, keeping up your pants. And padding on the inside of the belt creates it more comfortable. It shows a strong metal quick-release buckle that has been confirmed strong on other more pricey belts. This belt can carry heavy loads because it is well made and the support material has been reinforced. The stainless steel buckle, 1000D nylon belt material and laser cut webbing all point to a high quality belt. Also, the laser cut webbing is solid and tight, holding multi attached pouches firmly against the belt with no slippage. This is fast becoming the preferred style of webbing because it is so tight and takes a long time to loosen up with wear and tear. This belt has a quick release metal buckle closer system designed in-house. Moreover, this belt can hold 100 pounds of gear. Overall, it is a suitable rapid deployment belt you can throw on very fast at a moment's notice and be ready to go. And ideally, this belt will be excellent for just about everything. This offering from Free Soldier provides tactical pants at an affordable price, while still delivering a durable product. This pant is made up of 35% cotton and 65% ripstop polyester, which is treated with DuPont Teflon coating. The materials combined with the Teflon create this pant durable yet lightweight and breathable, as well as water, scratch, fade, and wrinkle resistant. The fleece lining offers you extra warmth that is not only pleasant but also comfortable to wear, featuring more than 10 built-in pockets including 2 front slants, 2 large hook and loop, 2 hip flap hook and loop, and 2 military EDC on the thighs. You'll be able to keep all your gear just a reach away. And articulating knees and 3D tailoring with 12 pleats add to the comfort of these pants and permit easy movement. Plus, a partial elastic waistband and wide belt loops further enhance the comfort, and a Duraflex D-ring can be used to attach keys and any tactical accessories that you may require to keep nearby. However, these pants will be perfect for just about any activity or job including tactical, cycling, motorcycle, military, combat, hunting, fishing, climbing, hiking, outdoor adventure, and so much more. The OLIGHT Warrior X Pro features a strong precision-machined aluminum body with stainless steel accessories. This is a tough unit, but what creates this flashlight better than others is the quality of the technology included. This uses unique magnetic features including a magnetic USB recharging port and optional magnetic mounting. Also, there's a vibrating battery level warning system and a practical tactical grip ring. This light survives a 3-meter drop test. This is a bright flashlight, and this flashlight uses an updated high discharge battery that delivers a maximum of 2100 lumens for up to 500 meters of throw and provides a 2 ampere current for 100% faster charging. And this Warrior X Pro is a successor to the Warrior X that boasts a 2100 battery and an improved tail switch. Plus, its battery can power continuous light for up to 8 hours. So, if you're searching for a tactical flashlight, you'll like this Warrior X Pro. CVLIFE Tactical Backpack is a fantastic choice for people who like a high-quality backpack with various features to serve their requirements. With a packing area of 60 liters, this is a multi-purpose backpack that will simply accommodate all your gears. This is made from 600D polyester material to withstand excessive wear and tear, And this polyester material is completely water resistant to keep your belongings dry in the rainiest seasons. This backpack has a zipper closer for convenient access to the items. Also, this backpack has a main mesh compartment to keep your clothes and gear, a detachable bag on the front, and 2 tactical backpacks in the sides to keep the first aid kit, phone, keys, and other important accessories for a 72 hours excursion. Additionally, the manufacturer has taken the extra step to keep your belongings safe by covering the zipper region with a flap to prevent water from entering the bag. So, if your primary focus is a daily backpack with some superior tactical features, the CVLIFE Military Rucksack will be the best bet for you. The Rocky S2V Predator tactical boot is tough enough to meet US Army standards, delivers several levels of comfort, and has specialist high-traction soles. This is made from a mix of leather and 1000D Cordura nylon, and 1000D Cordura resists tears, abrasions, and scuffs better than any other fabric of its kind. This is the toughest nylon on the market, reinforced by triple stitching everywhere. The fabric of this boot is PDFE coated for flame resistance. Also, it is approved for wear with all applicable OCP variations and is GSA or TAA compliant. The sieve system is built to circulate air in and push water out. This permits you to walk the boots dry fast. It arrives with Vibram soles. The slip-resistant soles are also resistant to abrasions and oils. The footbed uses Rocky's airport cushioning for comfort. Moreover, an impact-absorbing polyurethane midsole is strengthened by a fiberglass shank that stops this boot from twisting laterally and protects the arch. Overall, this tactical boot offers exceptional performance and it is probably one of the best tactical boots out there.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.